Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is July 24th on a Wednesday. And let's do a quick recap on the day's trading. Let's dive right in. So, what a massive sell off. Absolutely crazy. To think yesterday at the close, we were at the 946s. The low of today was the 170s. You do the math, but that's a big move. We had a huge gap down, and then we had a big sell off pre market, and we just never even, the bulls were just never even a factor. We had a couple runs here where we looked like maybe this move here at 330 was probably the biggest attempt the bulls made, but just a sell off, just a trending sell off kind of day. And usually I do not do well in those days. Today, I didn't trade that well either today, but we kind of escaped with very minimal red, and we actually had some accounts green. So I'll take it. But I'm actually, today was more about knowing not to trade. That I'm probably more, I don't want to say that I'm proud of it, but I'm happy and very content that I was okay with just not trading much today. After seeing the price action, knowing that I don't trade it that well, I really just decided, hey, I'm just not gonna trade. And I did take some trades right here. I took my first winner. This was a short. Obviously, should have held that. Should have held that short way longer. Then I took a big loss trying to buy the bottom. That was pretty frustrating. Then I took another short, and it was a winning trade. I took a long, it was a winning trade. And that's kind of when I decided, you know what? I'm just done for the day. This thing's gonna chop me up and spit me out, and I wasn't in the mood. So we ended the day $61 in the red on the streaming account, moving to all of my other accounts. Very happy with, I'm not sure what we call this account, the Behemoth account. We need to give this account a nickname, but we're going to call this the Behemoth account. But we're now at $9,400 in profit, and we basically got our $1,000 in profit. I'm going to consider this accomplished today. $950 in profit. Very happy with that. Then took 2 trades here, $290 in profit, took 1 trade on this account. And when I decided, you know what, I'm just going to call it. I also had a good day on this account. This is one of the accounts that I took like a $1,400 loss. I'm not even sure how big the loss was. I think it was like 3 days ago. But we now have this account back up to where it was. We've recovered from those losses, so I love to see it. And yeah, I didn't trade a whole lot. Did not trade a whole lot today, and I'm quite happy with that. I'm okay with that. I don't need to. Again, all of these accounts except for these 3 50K accounts are lifetime accounts, and there's no hurry. There is no rush for payout windows. I can take it easy, and I will, once we get closer to an actual where the accounts are above the payout threshold, then we can look into the payout windows and whatever. But for now, we're just going to trade these slowly one at a time and go from there, just slow and steady. So anyway, that's it for me. We will be back tomorrow. Also, just a friendly reminder, if you haven't subbed, you appreciate the content, hit that sub button, hit the like button. Also, feel free to use my code if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine too. But to all those that are using and have used my code, I do want to say thank you. I really do appreciate that. And it is a way to support the channel. And I want to thank you for that. May God bless you for that. And I'll be back tomorrow. Take care and God bless.